Welcome to Granada, Spain, a city rich in history and culture, and the perfect backdrop for an academic event. We are excited to announce the inaugural International Conference on Drones and Unmanned Systems, DAUS 2025, organized by the International Frequency Sensors Association. This groundbreaking conference will explore the latest advancements in drone technology, from aerial and underwater systems to ground vehicles, focusing on design, development, and applications. A key focus will be the convergence of drones with artificial intelligence, revolutionizing autonomy, decision-making, and data analysis across industries. Discover how drones are transforming various sectors, including agriculture, military, security, and industry, with insights into current practices and future trends. Join us for keynote presentations and special sessions with leading experts designed to bridge the knowledge gap and inspire innovation. This event is not just about knowledge, it's about connections. Enjoy face-to-face interactions, from lively discussions at coffee breaks and gala dinner. Conference participants will have the opportunity to publish in 3 high-quality formats: conference proceedings, index journals, and open access book chapters. We invite you to submit your paper and join us at DAUS 2025 in Granada. This will be an event to remember, with lasting benefits to your career and research. We look forward to welcoming you. Mark your calendars and prepare for an unforgettable experience. Welcome to DAUS 2025.